Fly Babies. How are you today, my lions? Living in your new strength. Today is Saturday. What a wonderful day. So I'm going to talk to my payroll lions first because theirs is the most challenging Saturday. And then we'll talk to our at-home Fly Babies. I hope that you guys watch these on the weekends. I do these for you every single day, including the weekends, because I think it's helpful. So here we go. On Saturday, for everyone, we're going to get up before the family. You don't have to get up extra early today. If you have teenagers and they sleep late, you get to sleep late. But get up before them and get yourself ready. And then you're available to them. And that's very important. All right, next thing is to have your family go through their routine. You want that to happen as soon as they get up instead of letting them, they might want to lay around a little bit, but you know what'll happen. It'll be 2 in the afternoon and the day's gone, and then everybody feels like their day was stolen, right? Or everybody wants to stay up super late, and then you can't get up on Sunday morning to go to church. So let's get everybody up. Let's keep everybody in the same groove of getting up, right? And doing their morning routines. Don't forget, if you have dogs or farms or gardens that need to be taken care of, that's also part of this. And if you do have dogs and dogs and farms, gardens can wait unless the sun gets too high. Then you're still going to have to get up early. If the cow has to be milked or the goats need to be milked, you've got to get up, right? If you have a little baby and you got to feed your baby, you got to get up. All right, so get up in the morning, do your routines. After your routines, I'm going to go right over to my payroll lions. Payroll lions, did you get your weekly home blessing done this week, either by delegating or doing it yourself? If you did not, now is the time to do it, right now, after you've done your morning routines and your family's had breakfast. Hop right in there and do it. If you have a family, awesome. Delegate some of that stuff. Everybody works together to get it done for the same purpose. If you don't have anyone to delegate to, put your nose to the grindstone. It's 1 hour maximum. You have 6 things to do. Strip your bed and wash your sheets. While the sheets are washing, dust the house. After the house is dusted, wipe all the mirrors. After the mirrors are wiped, empty all the garbage cans. Not just mirrors, glass. Any dog nose prints on the sliding glass doors or the coffee tables, whatever. Empty the garbage cans. After you've emptied all the garbage cans in the house, sweep and/or vacuum the floors. And we're not mopping the floors. We're just sweeping and/or vacuuming them. Sweeping and/or vacuuming them. We're dust mopping and vacuuming. And then the last thing is to mop the kitchen and the bathrooms. Each one of those things takes 10 minutes or less. Please start your timer for each one. Put on some great music. That is very helpful. And change your attitude, first thing, and just get the middles. We're not worrying about the details. We're not perfection cleaning. We're blessing the house. Blessing. Jobs done imperfectly, still bless the family. Okay, after you've gotten that hour out of the way, maybe less, then we're going to do whatever other things you didn't get done this week. And I'm assuming that you were able to do the little things that I asked you to do. But there are some things that I asked you to do that you may not have been able to do, like grocery shopping. And probably that's it. Grocery shopping would be the other thing. So if you haven't gone grocery shopping and there's no one to deliver your groceries or to delegate groceries to, then take your list that you made on Wednesday and go to the grocery store. Stay in your budget. This is a task that if you cannot complete, if you can't stay in your budget, take cash. Go to the bank before it closes if you have one that's open on Saturdays, and take cash. Leave everything else at home, because until you get yourself disciplined, you're going to spend over your limit. You are. So take it and then go do it. Be careful though, because if you lose it, there's no replacing cash, so be extra careful with it. Okay? Once you have determined that you can do this, then you know you're disciplined and you can take your credit card or debit card with you and leave your cash at home. And you may be able to go over, and it's not a financial hardship on you, but it's a feeling of control to be able to buy your groceries within your limit. So go do your grocery shopping. When you come back, put everything away. And then the last thing we have to do is our zone. If you were unable or unwilling to work in your zone and your weekly home blessing hour during the week, then you're doing it today or doing what's left over today. So we were in zone 1. You had 4 15-minute time slots to work on it, so now you've got an hour to work on Zone 1. This was a big week for Zone 1 because it was all week long, very unusual. So you're going to take care of your front porch, your front door, your foyer, your front hall closet, the stairwell that empties into the foyer, possibly your dining room, your back, sliding glass doors, things like that. 1 hour. And then when you're done, you're done. And you're going to be tired because this is a lot of work, but you can do this. This is 3 hours plus travel time on the groceries. Then stop and enjoy your weekend. It is Family Fun Day. So come on in here at Home Fly Babies. I know you did your jobs this week. I know you did. So you're going to have a great day with your family today. Now, Payroll Fly Babies, please keep an ear out for your laundry. I hope you were doing it all week long and you maybe had that one last load. Maybe it's just your sheets that you're washing today. Keep an ear out, put them in the dryer, keep an ear out, go put them back on the bed. That's the easiest way. If you have other laundry, make sure you fold it up and put it away. Lots and lots of you have told me you've timed it, and almost every time it's about 7 minutes to fold it up and put it away. Don't fool yourself. It doesn't take very long. All right, after that, go have a fabulous day. Enjoy your family. Do something fun. It doesn't have to be something extravagant. It just has to be fun. Something you enjoy. And you know what? Being with the family is fun, whether it's taking a hike or window shopping. It doesn't matter. Or laying on the ground and looking at the clouds. Now, if it's wet snow, you don't even want to make wet snow angels, then find something else to do. How about watch a movie? You know, at home with popcorn. You can do it. All right, that's it. Then after that, you're going to have dinner tonight. You've got your after dinner routines. We all know what those are. And you've also got your before bed routines. Don't forget, tomorrow is Sunday. Prepare everyone that we're going to be getting up early to go to church. This is what you're going to wear, and this is what you're going to wear, and I've got my clothes that I'm going to wear. We're going to get up in the morning and we're going to have X for breakfast. X, you know, whatever it is, eggs or cereal or oatmeal or whatever you tell them. And then we're going to church, and afterwards, if you're really good, we'll stop and get some donuts on the way home, and then we're going to have this for dinner, and we're going to enjoy ourselves together, and we're going to prepare for tomorrow, for Monday, right? Look in your planner, make sure your planner is up to date, and you've got it all worked out. Sunday's the night you're going to really work on the planner for the next week, but start looking and seeing what you've got, okay? All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous day. Enjoy your Saturday. Don't forget to come back here tomorrow morning, and always remember that you are beautiful.